Hi girls. In preparation for your Chapter 1 test, which is on Wednesday, I want to give you a little bit of instruction on evaluating algebraic expressions. There are 3 problems on your blue review that I would like to just make sure you understand how to do them. We have talked about it in some of the classes, but with so many different cohorts, I'm not 100% sure that you've all seen the instructions. So I want to make sure that you're good to go. We will also plan to Zoom together on Monday. So even if you're at home on Monday, eBlock will all meet together at 1 o'clock. So I'll send you a Zoom link and make sure you're all good to go if you're in the grade cohort. But right now, today, I want everyone, whether you're at home or in school, to work on your blue review and to just make sure that you are good to go on Monday with any questions that you have, so we can all have my instruction, whether remote or in school, to make sure you're super prepared for Wednesday's test. Okay, evaluating algebraic expressions. This is really order of operations problems that you're going to help create by plugging in the value that you're given. So like in example 1 that you see on your board, you're asked to evaluate the expression 7x plus x squared 4x equals negative 3. So you're given a value to plug in for x. The only little trick here is to make sure that when you plug in that negative value, it goes in parentheses. So here, we're going to plug in 7, and instead of x, we've been told it's now a negative 3, and we're going to plug that in parentheses, plus you're going to put in parentheses that negative 3 and then square that. So 7, now it's an order of operations problem. So 7 times negative 3 is negative 21 plus negative 3 squared in the quantity is positive 9. So you now have the problem negative 21 plus 9 equals a negative 12. And this problem is it's the same actual expression that you have on your blue review, but you've been given a different value for x. So that's how you're going to do that. Number 2, just same concept, just a little bit different looking, in that you have a fraction, and you're also going to have to deal with a minus 3 in just a minute. So looking at this expression, instead of x, I'm going to make that a 2, and then minus, and I'm going to put this y in parentheses. So that minus is going to go before the negative 3 over 4 plus 2, because x is 2. So now I have the minus 3, which is plus, so 2 plus 3 over 4 plus 2. So that's just going to end up being 5, 6, and that's going to be your answer. So I hope both of these examples are the same expression as on your blue review. Hopefully that helps just to clarify any questions that you might have. If you do have more questions, then bring them to class, whether you're Zooming with me or whether you're in class, and we will nail them all then and play a fun game. And hope you have a wonderful day.